Hey friends, welcome back to another Kendo Makes video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I updated my Ikea shelving unit to match our style. We're currently redecorating our house a bit and trying to pull our style together. My partner and I are trying for a cohesive theme of timber and black throughout our house. This video is pretty awkwardly edited. I lost the first hour or two of footage, so I've thrown in a bit of footage that I had of the shelving before I adapted it. To start this off, I emptied off the shelves and took them apart. I then primed the flat portions of the shelves. I also primed all of the sections that I wanted to leave timber with a timber primer for stain off camera. This makes the stain glide on and blend more easily. It's kind of a dream to work with. Next, I painted all of the shelf sections that I primed with white, black. There was a little man stuck on one of the shelves. He seemed to be permanently attached, so I just left him there and painted around him. He usually supports one of my plants. Once I painted all of my shelves black, I stained all of my timber sections with an old Baltic stain. Make sure to wear gloves and a mask when using these products. I applied this with a rag. It's good to massage it in. It blends out all of the crossover sections. While this dried, I added another coat of black paint. Make sure the paint you use is mold resistant to protect it when watering your plants. I then sprayed the crossbars black. I removed all the tape from all the shelves and applied the old Baltic to those sections. Supervisor Alfred came out to give me a hand. Okay, so here's the tricky bit. Thinking of the stain almost as if it were a watercolour, I grabbed some Jarrah and using the rag, painted it on in sections where it looked most natural. I did this on all of the legs and the sides of the shelves. I was pretty happy with the results, so once they were dry, I added some German hard wax to seal the deal. Next, I popped all the shelves back together and added some UV lights to help the plant's growth and fairy lights just to make them pretty. I use use USB driven lights so that I can plug it into my Google Home power board, and Google Home then controls the lights. This means that my plants get a certain amount of UV light per day on top of the regular sun coming in through the windows. Okay, now to load the plants back on. If you want any specific details on the plants or how to care for them, I'd be happy to make a video in the future. I freaking love plants. I'm really happy with the results. It's turned it from something that looks like some cheap sharehouse furniture into something that suits my style a lot more. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!